Okay, let's take a look at this problem. Consider all 5-letter words made from the letters A through H. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, E, F, G. Geez, better go home, go back to bed. H. Okay, so it's 8. 8 total. Now recall words are just letters, strings of letters, not necessarily actually English words. A, how many of these words are there total? And we've got 5 letters. Okay, and so for our first blank here, we can put any of those 8. Doesn't say we can't repeat, so each one of these will be 8 possibilities. You can put A through H here, you can put A through H here, you can put A through H here, and so forth. So this would be 8 to the 5th. Where's my calculator? Let's see, 8 power. There's 32,768. Now B. How many of these words contain no repeated letters? Okay, so it's different. Now I still have 8 possibilities here. Now I always envision this by an actual example. Let's pretend I put H here in the first blank. Because we can pick any of those 8. Let's say I pick H. Now to put it on my second blank, since I can't have them repeat, H is now gone, so I only got 7 letters gone. Let's say I pick G to go here. Now both H and G cannot be used again. So I have 6. Count. And again, same idea, and this goes down like this. So 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4, give me 6,720. Now C. How many of these words start with the subword aha? Okay, so no matter what, this has to be an A, this has to be an H, this has to be an A. So only 2 can change are these. Well, here I got 8 possibilities I can put in there. I can put any of these in here. Now, it doesn't say anything about they can't repeat. Is that a true statement? Okay, it doesn't say anything about them can't repeating, so I could put any of the 8 here also. Now, ignoring these first 3, 8 times 8 would give me 64. Now, D. How many of these words either start with aha or end with ba, or both? I ran across that. I don't know why I'm having so trouble with both today, but okay. So start with aha. That's still 8 times 8, 64. Now end with ba. And I can put anything here, I can put anything here. So that's 64. Now both. Oh, okay. It's finally clicking. And they say that both, they're talking about the where it starts with aha and ends with ba, which means this had to be 2 letters at one time, which isn't a possibility, so that'd be 0. Okay, so then add these 2 together, and I'd have 128 possibilities. How many of the words contain no repeats? No repeats. Okay. Also do not contain the subword bad. Okay, let me think about this. do not contain the subword bad. So I have to figure out how many contain the subword bad. First, my grand total. That I saw up above. No repeats means I could have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 multiplied together. That is just from B. So 6,720. Okay, of those then, I'm looking for the ones that contain bad. So I could put a B here, an A here, and a D here. That's one possibility. I could put B here, A here, and D here. That's another possibility. Or I could put B here, A here, and D here. It's the only ways I can have bad in there. Now, if I look at this first one, since, okay, let me think about this. It doesn't repeat. So if I use B, A, and D, that means I can't use those letters. And there's 8 total, so that means I have 5 left. So that'd be 5 times 4, which is 20. Same idea here. B, A, and D is gone, so that means there's 5 possibilities and 4 here. And 5 possibilities and 4 here because B, A, and D are gone. So that's 20. So I would subtract from 6,720, I'd subtract 60. 60. Should have put this in my calculator, but minus 60 gives us 6,660 words. And was that the last? That was E. Okay.